Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do some awesome wedding Blackboard signage. So I chose this design today as I thought it was very simplistic and unique, and it's basically what every bride wants at their wedding. So what you will need is you will need a pencil, a whiteboard marker, a piece of chalk, any color, it really doesn't matter, a blackboard, and if you don't have a blackboard, you can use any hardboard, however spray it with blackboard paint that you can get from any hardware store. And lastly, you will need a piece of paper, roughly the size of the blackboard, just to print on whatever you want to say. It can be used for menus, it can be used for ceremony or seating plan, whatever you feel necessary. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the steps on how to come up with your end result. It's actually really easy and anyone can do it. You really don't have to be stressed about this part. Step 1 is that you take the chalk and trace over every letter that has been printed on the paper. Step 2 is that you take the piece of paper that you've colored in the chalk on the back, tape it to the blackboard so that it is in place. Then you will take your pencil and outline the actual letters so that they are quite prominent on the board. This is what it will come out with, the outlining of the letters. Step 3 is that you will take your whiteboard marker and actually color in the letters that you have traced on the board. Make sure to color in quite well, as this will make it better. So guys, once you are finished, this should be your end result. It's very fun, quirky, something different to do, something for your own wedding, some DIY. Yeah, it's something personalized that you have made and that you can be proud of. And I just hope you have an awesome wedding. I know that it's quite stressful, the days leading up and everything. So yeah, I just hope you enjoy making it and that your guests appreciate the hard work that you've done.